Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question deals with child support. The question I received is, can I make my child support payments in one large lump sum payment? Before I get started with that, I want to ask you and remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. Okay, so on to today's question. Can you pay your child support in a lump sum payment? There is nothing in the court systems in Nevada law that prohibits you from doing this. You are welcome to make a lump sum payment of child support if you and your spouse agree to such an agreement. However, this agreement has some issues. The first issue that I can see with this is that the courts might not recognize this agreement because courts generally issue child support payments in monthly increments, and so therefore they might not be familiar with this and they might not recognize it. You might not, in your agreement, take into account, for example, inflation, living expenses, or maybe future earning potential of the paying party. The second issue that I kind of see with this agreement might be that even if the agreement exists and it is deemed to be a valid agreement, child support is still a modifiable support, meaning that it can be changed at any time depending on changes in circumstances. So for example, if the paying party happens to get a higher paying job in the future, the receiving spouse is not precluded from going to court and stating that that party should be paying more in child support due to the increase in payment. So even though you have an agreement, it can still be modifiable. And thirdly, I think that courts are always interested when it comes to children in the child's best interest. So it doesn't matter what agreement you come to, if the court feels that a modification to this agreement is going to be in the best interest of the children, the court is going to make that change. And so therefore, my recommendation is stick to a monthly child support payment as opposed to a lump sum payment. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I hope I've answered the question. If you have questions, like I said, about this topic or any other topic in family law, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. If you've liked the video, please hit like, and if you know someone who can use this information, please share this video with them. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.